Alright, so here we're looking at similarity within area of rectangles and using some tools to help us out exploring here. So we can see that when our scale factor is 1, that these are two congruent rectangles. Now what happens though when I change it to 2? And this is where it says use the tool here to create and fill in. So what I notice is that if I put 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm going to use a little text here, alpha equals 2, I get 4 rectangles. Okay, so let's see what happens then when I go to alpha equals 3. Oh. So if I go to alpha equals 3, I'm going to put in quite a few more. So let me click over here. So I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I know that it looks a little bit off there, and that's just because of, see if I can shift them in, shift it over, and you can see that the 9 fits. So when alpha equaled 3, there were 9 rectangles. So let's go up to 4. And you can see things shift all around. And I could always reset it, but I can just drag these. So I don't have to do this more than I have to. So I might as well be able to use these 9 that are already here and just keep creating on top of it. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So there I have that when my scale factor became 4, it took 16 rectangles. And I'm going to do one more, which was the alpha of 5. That looks a little crazy, but we can shift this stuff over. It's not a big deal. Just need to move parts. Getting pretty close here. So there's 16. Here, minimize that. And then I have 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So here, when my alpha, my scale factor, was 5, it took 25 rectangles to fill it in. So let's do some looking here. If I look at my side, so alpha of 5, so side of 2, I can see that that length from H to J is 10. Side of 3, from F to H is 15, because it's 5 times the length of each side. But it took 25 rectangles to fill in. And so if I look, 2 to 4, 2 squared equals 4. 3 squared equals 9. 4 squared equals 16. 5 squared equals 25. So while the lengths have the scale factor, the area, as we can see, is the scale factor squared. And it's because you have the length scale factor times the width scale factor. So I have length, so it's like 3 centimeters times 2 centimeters, and that scale factor 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters, that's 25 square centimeters. That's why it's that factor of 25 that's going on.